Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update or install drivers on GIGABYTE G7. In order to update or install drivers, there are two ways of doing that. The first one is like pretty common, going to settings, Windows and update, then install all, download and install all, or just check for updates. If there are any, you can install them. If there's something that still doesn't work in your system and didn't show up in Windows Update, there's a chance that in Advanced Options, Optional Updates, Driver Updates, you'll find that update. So if there's like Bluetooth isn't working, you can select that and click on Download and Install. Or maybe if the internet is not working, you can also get that. USB, also you can download and install it, but you should only select the drivers here for devices that aren't working like normally. So if something is working, you shouldn't update it through here. Now let's get to the second thing, which doesn't really fully work on GIGABYTE laptops. It's like a problem with GIGABYTE, I think. But as you go to the GIGABYTE support, then some of these for sure will work. I'm just gonna make sure that I'm connected to the correct network, because I'm not. Okay, now it should load a bit faster. Let's search for that again. And if you go to the gigabyte.com website, you'll be able to go to Consumer Products, Download Center, and now it's best to enter your serial number, which is on the bottom of your device. So you can just enter the SN serial number, and I have a picture of it so I don't need to flip my laptop over. I'm just gonna find that number, and now it should find it shortly. So if it didn't find it, like in my case, then just select the product line, which is gonna be laptop, the series, which I think it will be gaming in this case. We'll find out in a moment, but it's always loading so long on this GIGABYTE website. Most of the other websites just do it way quicker. Maybe I'll reload it. Okay, so I think now it's working, it's loading. I'm just gonna select the GIGABYTE Gaming, then category, which is gonna be 17.3 or 17 inch, I'm not really sure. I'm gonna find the 17 first. And let's wait until the model names load. Or if not, let's try 17.3. Okay, actually, I'm able to find the model. The model also can be found on the bottom of your laptop. It should say G7 space like two other symbols. So this is the model, and I think it'll be the easiest to find this way, but also I can't be really sure. Okay, finally found it, and I can select the driver now, or BIOS if you want to update BIOS. Okay, so the drivers were finally found, and I can find the drivers for audio, Bluetooth, card reader, as well as chipset or LAN, utilities. Utilities include like Smart USB backup and control center, VGA as well, which are for NVIDIA and the Intel graphics, and wireless LAN, which I haven't found working. So you can select either of the ones that you may need. I think I'm gonna get the utility, the control center, and now it'll start downloading it. And all the drivers have sort of different types of setup, but most of them will come in zip packages. So you can simply open the file, then find the setup application or just something that has the type of application. Double click on it, but before that I think I need to extract it. So I'm gonna actually click on no, then click on extract all, and let's click on extract. You can also change the path, but I'm gonna leave it. Now in the extracted folder, I'm gonna open the application. Yes. And I can see that the process will be quite normal. Just click on next, install, and wait. I don't really know what the control center is for, so I'll probably find out. And sometimes you need to restart your computer to apply the update, so I'm gonna click on yes, I want to restart my computer now, then finish, and wait until that driver gets applied, and then you'll see it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.